In this multiple choice question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify the correct organ responsible for erythropoiesis. For this, let me understand in which way the erythropoiesis or RBC production is happening in the bone marrow. For this, we are given the detailed pictorial representation. In this picture, we can see the production of the red blood cells from the red marrow, which is exactly present at the epiphysic zone of the bone. In this particular area, the red marrow is having a RBC mother cells to make the red blood cells. This RBC production is controlled by the erythropoietin, which is formed by the kidney. With this specification, we are choosing option C as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, B and D. What are the points we told with this picture that we are giving as a point-wise narration to take the NEET notes for future reference? Erythropoiesis is nothing but a production of RBC, occurs in the red marrow in the adult and the newborn under the influence of hormone erythropoietin produced by the kidney, common myeloid progenitor cell, a secondary stem cell are the first step for the creation of the RBC or erythrocyte. With this specification, we are choosing option C as the correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option B, A and D.